Morning children, I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Are you ready? Okay, then we can start our first lesson. We already started, that remaining portion we can complete today. Are you ready? Okay, all of take your textbook. In first chapter, सबसे पहले in last class we discussed the first two stanza. All of you got the meaning? Okay, here कवि कहते हमारे पास कहते हैं कि आज में सबसे पहले उठा है और प्रकृति में क्या क्या बातें हम सीखा, क्या क्या बातें हम हमें देखने को मिलता है, ये सब हमारे पास चर्चा करते हैं. यस, लिसन. आज उड़ा में सबसे पहले आज सुनूंगा हवा सवेरे की चलने पर, हिल पत्तों का करना हर हर, देखूंगा पूरब में फैले बादल पीले लाल सुनहरे. Once again I will say, if you have any doubt you clear it now. Today I woke up in the early morning, then I will listen how the leaves are making the har sounds. Then I will also see, देखूंगा, देखना means to see, देखूंगा means I will also see, पूरब में फैले बादल पीले लाल सुनहरे. How yellow, red, golden colored clouds are spread in the east direction. Okay. आज उड़ाव में सबसे पहले आज सुनूंगा चिड़िया का डाइने फटका कर, चहक कर उड़ना फर, देखूंगा पूरब में फैले बादल पीले लाल सुनहरे. Today I woke up in the early morning, then I will listen चिड़िया का डाइने फटका कर, चहक कर उड़ना फर. How the birds are making the sounds. Which sound? When they are flying, that time they are flutter its wings. That time we can hear that sound, fur sound. Then today I will listen that sounds. देखूंगा पूरब में फैले बादल पीले लाल सुनहरे. I will also see the yellow, red, golden color clouds spread in the east direction. इसमें everyone got the meaning? Okay. Listen. आज उड़ा में सबसे पहले आज चुनूंगा पौधे की ढाली पर, फूल गिले जो सुंदर, देखूंगा पूरब में फैले बादल पीले लाल सुनहरे. From this onwards we want to explain it. Listen. आज उड़ा में सबसे पहले आज चुनूंगा पौधे की ढाली पर, फूल खिले जो सुंदर, देखूंगा पूरब में फैले बादल पीले लाल सुनहरे. First we can discuss the new words. Here now new words. Listen. आज already we discussed that meaning. आज. Okay. Today. Yes. आज. Today. What is the opposite of आज? In last class we discussed. What is the opposite of आज? Yes. कल. आज. कल. आज उड़ा में सबसे पहले आज चुनूंगा. चुनना means चुनना to select. That means here चुनूंगा. That in future tense we are using चुनूंगा. पौधे की ढाली पर, पौधा means you are familiar with this word, पौधा, plant. पौधे, that is a plural form. पौधा singular and here the plural form पौधा. What is the plural form? पौधे. Yes. पौधे means plants. पौधे की ढाली पर, ढाली means branch. और फूल खिले जो सुंदर, फूल. Everyone know this meaning? Fool. What is the meaning? Fool? Yes, flower. Fool, flower. You know the synonyms word? Yes, fool, pushpa. One more word is the kusum. Pushpa, kusum. This is the synonym for fool. Sundar, beautiful. Everyone know that meaning. Then the next line already we explain that meaning also. आज उड़ा में सबसे पहले आज चुनूंगा. कवि कहते हैं कि आज मैंने सबसे पहले उठा है. कवि poet telling to us today in the early morning. I woke up in the early morning और सबसे पहले आज चुनूंगा. Today I will select. What I will select today? You see, पौधे की ढाली पर फूल खिले जो सुंदर. I will choose the beautiful flowers. फूल कैसा है? बहुत सुंदर है. Beautiful flowers. That पौधे की ढाली पर फूल खिले जो सुंदर. I will choose that beautiful flowers that are blooming in the plants. That are blooming on the plants. पौधे की ढाली पर फूल खिले. गिलना means to bloom. फूल खिले जो सुंदर. Today I will select the beautiful flowers that are blooming on the plants. That I will select. Today I will wake up in the early morning and today I will select this flowers. Got it? When he saw this beautiful views, yes, in the early morning, poet woke up in the early morning and he is telling to us, today I will select the beautiful flowers that are blooming on the plants. In the morning we can see this type of beautiful views. Okay. देखूंगा पूरब में फैले बादल पीले लाल सुनहले. I will also see that yellow, red, golden colored clouds spread in the east direction. Got it? Okay. आज उड़ा में सबसे पहले आज चुनूंगा. Today I woke up in the early morning and I will select. Today I will select. What I will select? पौधे की ढाली पर फूल खिले जो सुंदर. Today I will select the beautiful flowers that are blooming on the plants. Today I will select the beautiful flowers. देखूंगा पूरब में फैले बादल पीले लाल सुनहरे. What is the meaning? Anybody have any doubts? Okay. आज उड़ा में सबसे कहता आज फिरूंगा. कैसे पहला पत्ता ढोला, कैसे पहला पंछी बोला, कैसे कलियों ने मुंह खोला, कैसे पूरब में फैलाए बादल पीले लाल सुनहले. आज उड़ा में सबसे पहले. आज उड़ा में सबसे पहले. Today I woke up in the early morning. सबसे कहता आज फिरूंगा. At first I can tell to everyone this and all. What are the things he saw in the morning, the early morning? That all things I will tell to everyone. सबसे कहता आज फिरूंगा. Today I can say this and all to everyone. Why? I saw this all things in the early morning. So I will say this all things to everyone. What are the things he will say to everyone? कैसे पहले पत्ता ढोला. How the first leaf is moving. Because of the wind, the leaves are moving, or leaves are swinging. That I will tell to everyone. कैसे पहला पत्ता ढोला. कैसे पहला पंछी बोला. पंछी, you know the meaning पंछी? Panchi means bird. What are the synonyms for this panchi? Yesterday we discussed. Yes, chidiya. And one more word, ghagh. And one more, yes, pakshi. Panchi means bird. Panchi, bird, chidiya. That synonyms, chidiya, ghagh, pakshi. कैसे पहला पंछी बोला? How birds are making sounds. That already that poet tell to us when we can hear that sounds. कैसे पहला पंछी बोला? कैसे कलियों ने मुँह बोला? कलियां means birds. कली means कली. कलियां कैसे कलियों ने मुंह खोला? खोला मीन्स ओपन. खोला ओपन मुंह. You know the meaning मुंह. It's very familiar for us. Yes, मुंह mouth. How the birds open its mouths. What's the meaning? How birds are open its mouths. That means birds are blooming like as a flower. Okay, कैसे कलियों ने मुंह बोला? How the birds are bloom as a flower. कैसे पूरब में फैलाए बादल पीले लाल सुनहरे. How the clouds, that means yellow, red, golden colored clouds spread in the east. How it's everything happened in our nature, that and all I can tell to everyone. Why you know, the poet woke up in the early morning, then he saw this everything in from this nature, so he can tell to everyone these are the things happening in surround us. Then I saw this and all in the early morning that आज उड़ा में सबसे पहले. Today I woke up in the early morning. You got the meaning? Listen. आज उड़ा में सबसे पहले सबसे कहता आज फिरूंगा. Today I woke up in the early morning, then I can tell to everyone. This I will tell to everyone how the birds are making the sound, how the leaves are moving, how the yellow, red, golden colors clouds spread in the east direction, then how flowers are blooming, that and all I can tell to everyone. Got it? Got the meaning? Okay. Listen here, that first chapter we completed. The chapter name is Sabse Pehle. Who wrote this poem? Yes, Harivansh Rai Bachchan. Here, that poet telling the beauty of the nature. Beauty of the nature is discussing with us the beauty of the nature. Here the poet tells us, I woke up in the early morning and I can see these all things from our nature. What are the things? We can once again we can revise it. सबसे पहले आज उड़ा में सबसे पहले आज सुनूंगा हवा सवेरे की चलने पर हिल पत्तों का करना हर हर. देखूंगा पूरब में फैले बादल पीले लाल सुनहरे. Today I woke up in the early morning and I will listen. आज सुनूंगा. I will listen. Today I will listen how the leaves are making the sounds. Her sounds. How the leaves are making the sounds. Then how और देखूंगा पूरब में फैले बादल पीले लाल सुनहरे. That means पीले लाल सुनहरे, that colors पूरब में. पूरब means east. I will also see the पीला yellow, red or golden colored clouds are spread in the east. आज उड़ा में सबसे पहले आज सुनाऊंगा. The next poet telling to us, today I will listen how the birds are making the fur sounds. Then in third stanza, poet telling to us, today I will select the beautiful flowers. How it's bloom as a flower. That birds are bloom as a flowers that I can see in the morning. Then at last poet telling to us this and all I can tell to everyone how these birds are making sound, how the leaves are moving, how the clouds are spread in the east, that and all I can tell to everyone. You got the meaning of this poem, children? Yes. What is the message? Yes, to love our nature. To love our nature. Our nature is very beautiful. So to love our nature. This in the morning they all are involved in the works like that. You also should wake up in the early morning and then you do your duties or you do your works. That much only from this chapter. Then read this chapter. If you have any doubts, you can ask to me. Okay, you take the next page, page number 10. Here's some word meaning is there. You listen, I will read. Savere, subha, morning. We already learned yesterday this word. Savere, subha, morning. Purab, purva disha, east. Daine, pank, wings. Sunhale, sunhare. Or sone jaise rang ke. That means golden. Panchi, pakshi, chidiya, bird. Dhola, hawa mein jhuma, to swing. To swing na adoga. Yes, this much only from this chapter, the new words. Then the question answers and all I will send through WhatsApp. Before that, we can discuss this all answers. Listen. For that first one, मौखिक, that means oral questions. यह कविता किस समय के बारे में है? About which time? Yes, you say the answer. Yes, सवेरे, that means सुबह. सुबह के बारे में है. यह कविता सुबह के बारे में है. पूरब में कैसे बादल फैले हैं? बादल, बादल means clouds. कैसे बादल? Yes, पीले, लाल, सुनहले. पीले, लाल, सुनहले बादल फैले हैं. चिड़ियों के उड़ने की कैसी आवाज आती है? आवाज means sound. चिड़िया की उड़ने की आवाज, उड़ना मीन्स फ्लाइंग. उड़ने की आवाज कैसी है? यस, फरफर की आवाज. चिड़िया की उड़ने से फरफर आवाज आती है. हवा चलने पर क्या होता है? हवा चलने पर, हवा मीन्स विंड. हवा चलने पर क्या होता है? हवा चलने पर पत्ता हर हर करके हिलते हैं. Leaves are making that har har sounds. Okay, you got that all answers? Yes. The next one is लिखित, that means written answers. कवि सबसे पहले क्यों उठा है? Why did the poet woke up in the early morning? Why? Yes, कवि प्रकृति की सुंदरता को देखना चाहता है. He want to see the beauty of the nature. For that he woke up in the early morning. कवि सबसे पहले क्यों उड़ा है? कवि प्रकृति की सुंदरता को, प्रकृति मीन्स नेचर, प्रकृति की सुंदरता को देखना चाहता है, इसलिए कवि सबसे पहले उठा है. कवि क्या चुनना चाहता है? चुनना. यस, कवि क्या चुनना चाहता है? कवि पौधों की ढाली पर गिले सुंदर फूल, ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर, सुंदर फूल चुनना चाहता है. You got that answer? Okay. कलियों के मुंह खोलने का अर्थ है, क्या है? कलियों का birds are open its mouths means birds are blooming as flowers. कलियों के मुंह खोलने का अर्थ है कलियां खिलकर फूल बनना. फूल, flowers, कलियां खिलकर फूल बनना. कभी सबको क्या बताएगा? But he will say to everyone, poet. Poet will say to everyone what? कभी पत्ते की हिलने और चिड़िया की आवाज कैसे है? पत्ते की हिलने की आवाज कैसे है? और चिड़िया की उड़ने की आवाज कैसे है? और कलियां कैसे फूल बनकर भवन में खिलते हैं? और पूरब में कैसे बादल पीले, लाल, सुनहरे इस तरह बनाएगा? ये सब यहाँ कवि सबको बताएगा. You got this all answers, children? Yes, don't worry. I will send through WhatsApp this all answers. I will give the homework also. Page number 11. Page number 11. The second exercise. कविता की पंक्तियाँ पूरी कीजिए. Complete the lines of the poem. That is the homework. Page number 11. Page number 11. Okay, you completed this. We are going to wind up this section. Okay, children, if you have any doubt, you can contact me. Then I will send our questions and all. I will send through WhatsApp. That and all. Write in your notebook. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.